I believe next we have girls volleyball.
I believe it's five-time returning league champ.
Five-time returning league champ? Since I've been here with league champs, that's only 5 or 6 years. Good job.
Wow. And a great big hand of applause to the cheerleaders for making impenetrable paper barriers.
I hope the girls volleyball can be a sport that will provide conditioning there.
And there's a fireproof and student-proof. That's exciting.
Coming up next, last but not least, our girls golf team.
Amazingly violent sport. Anytime you see a bunch of girls walking around with metal sticks, that's just a
Clubs are scary.
All right, Eagles, that was great. Let's hear